Alright, it's Tuesday morning in Destin, Florida, and we have woke up to very damp air. It's very foggy out. Everything's wet and dripping. Today we're heading for Pensacola. It is foggy. Just keep an eye on the bow, making sure we're not coming close to any charter fishermen. Coming up on a fish haven. So out here in the middle of nowhere, we'll have to be careful and watch for charter fishermen fishing over those artificial reef systems. We just passed one earlier. Had a charter boat over it. It's after 9:30 in the morning and we still have heavy fog. Hopefully it'll be burning off in the next hour or so. We've switched over obviously to motor sailing. Wind and tapered down to where we were only going 2 or 3 knots was it. So, with the sails out and the engine, we're clipping along at about 6 knots. Everything is wet out here. All this moisture in the air, my shirt is saturated, my pants are wet, even my fingers are pruning up. I'll be glad when that sun burns all this off. You want all the Jenny out?
Yeah.
Okay. She's out.
Okay.
5, 9, 6. All right, we're doing good. We're hauling. All right, under sail, heavy fog. Just need to keep an eye out up ahead. So it looks like we got another fish habitat we're going to be crossing over. I see him back there bouncing along the surface. Looks like another bonita. Well, I'll see if I can get him oh, yeah, I probably ought to. I'm gonna grab some pliers, take that hook out and get him back overboard. Thank you, sir. All right, in the drink he went. Didn't even mar up the deck this time. I'm getting better. All right, at the helm and having lunch. Steve fixed up a fine meal of hot dogs with sauerkraut. Really good. Still got a lot of heavy fog. Waiting for it to clear off. All right, we're pushing 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still foggy out. Still haven't seen land, and it's only 3 miles out there. Actually, looks like it might be just 2.5 miles out there. Pretty uneventful other than catching 3 bonita fish and nearly sailing into a military restricted area. But crisis averted on that one. Spotted it on the charts at the last minute. Made a course correction. All is good. We're just headed right up to here, go into the pass, and then go to the marina. I know I'm ready for a hot shower and a shave. That still ways off. Oh my. That's tugging now. All right, here we go. They don't feel that big though. Oh look, it's a bonita. Thank you, sir. All right, hooked another one. Probably another bonita. This is pulling a little harder, at least this time. We'll see. Whew, this one's got some fight in him. surface. Come on. Oh, foggy. This thing wore me out. Your bucktail's taking a beating. Have to put some super glue on that thread. Come on, mahi mahi. I don't remember how many bonita we've caught now. I've about lost track.
6 or 7.
Yeah. Seeing some dolphins. 2:30 in the afternoon and the beach is finally coming within sight. It has been foggy all day today. Finally cleared off enough to where at least we can see the beach out there. Alright, Fort Pickens over there on the right. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's there. Alright, we've docked at the marina, gassed up, and now we're fixing to back into a little slip over here. And as you can tell, it is narrow in here. We've got to go right over there in between those two vessels. I probably won't film that. It's going to be all hands on deck trying to get in there. And the wind's blowing pretty decently. Alright, we're docked. I'm not going to say it was easy. we're docked. That's the main thing. Unfortunately, they don't have shower facilities here, but they do have laundry, so I plan on doing a load of laundry, and then we're going to cook fish stew tonight. That's the game plan. Alright, it's evening time. We've got the water tanks filled up, gas tanks filled up, and I'm fixing to take everything to the laundry and do some serious laundry. In the morning we'll leave out early and go to, I believe it's Fort Morgan. So that's the game plan. Tonight on the menu is fish stew. I've never made that either, so we'll see how that turns out. Alright, Steve is showing me how to make fish stew today. We got some of that king mackerel cubed up and ready to go. I've been learning a couple of dishes on this trip. Alright, there it is, fish stew on a bed of rice. There'll be an adult beverage later. We got nearly a full moon. Alright. Looks like the excursion just got back.